Hi guys, just a quick tip for reinstalling an alternator that you've removed. It'll have been quite tight to get off, you'll have been wiggling like anything. That's because as you tighten it up, these inserts pull through here. So what we're going to do, put a socket one side, thread the original bolt into the insert, and we're just going to, I'm trying to do this one-handed, just going to tighten this. Now, we haven't got to do it much. You'll notice as I do that, it just pulls through. And then if I take this off, you'll notice there there's the line where it used to sit, and that's how far we pulled it through. So that gives you plenty of clearance to be able to relocate the alternator, and then as you tighten it up, it'll pull the insert back through.